Alright guys, in today's video we have a Kendama unboxing, finally. It's been I think a few months since I did the last Kendama unboxing, but here we are with another Kendama video. Actually this Kendama package was sent to me by a friend, Miguel. If you don't know who he is a Kendama player that has been killing it recently. He's been podiuming, is that even a word? Podiuming, at so many different Kendama events. A really good Kendama player and friend. I think I met him back in, was it 2017 at one of the SF Kendama events. I appreciate him sending me this package, and he didn't tell me what's in this package, so I'm excited to see for myself what it is. And let's just open it up. It's been a while since I bought a Kendama. I've been playing Kendama, not as much lately, but I still play. Just harder to do now. I'm getting busier. Looks like he sent me a Ken. So as you can see on that little note, it is a love-laced Ken. I have not tried one of these before, so I'm pretty excited. Wow. It's like a spliced Ken with, I'm not sure what wood that is in the middle of the serrato. It has a LLK logo on the front of the Ken. No base cup hole, which I don't mind that. Sometimes I like, so I can do more finger lighty tricks, which I enjoy doing. I think I know, let's see, actually let me weigh it and see how much it weighs. Alright, got my weight. And it weighs 86.8, so a little bit on the heavier side. But I'm sure I can find a Tama to pair for that. Let me just check actually. I think I can pair with this Sulab Soul Friction Clear Tama. Yeah, the Tama is 80.5, so I think that should pair nicely. Just like that. Yeah, I don't know too much about love-laced Kendama, but I've seen people that play with their Kens or their Kendamas. From what they said, I think they like it. So I'm excited for this. Something new for sure. Yeah, it does like protrude a little bit out more than usual on the base cup right there. Seems like it'd be good for base cups. It has that that edge, that lock on. I'm pretty sure this is a maple Ken. Should probably do a trick test, see how lunars perform. It's pretty good without the base cup hole. Stilts. Lighties. Let's try handle stalls, because that seems pretty good. Yeah. It's different too. I feel like it'll be good for Ken flips too, because it gives you that extra like grip on the base cup. Yeah. Flip it pretty fast. Slingers. Oh yeah, that's good. not bad. Yeah, so that was a quick little unboxing sent to me from Miguel. I know you're probably gonna be watching this, Miguel, so I appreciate it very much. I would definitely put this to good use and film some tricks on this. Yeah, thank you again, and I hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and I'll see you guys in the next one.